Haino hai lamsago bayap song gaitini biru changna sakang chung puilano kisisa Surinaleno chini monai Muskan Debbarma ni bagwi tamni hingkai bo salkudukma jora rombuino bini bohogo pathor tongmani bagwi bo sakhamya klaijak tei miao bini second operation tongmani abo successful recovery ongthu hini chung jotono kisa Surilaijadi unke bo ma haikeno puilano sikya hi everyone, I wanted to share something personal and ask for your prayers. I have an upcoming second surgery on Wednesday. I believe in the power of prayer and positive thoughts, and I would be so grateful if you could keep in your prayers. I am feeling a bit anxious but hopeful. I know that having your thoughts and prayers will bring me peace and strength. Thank you everyone. Manikai bosaka norokni surimungni bisingtina ang phanmanai tebo krakai basai manani ongthu. Ge omaikeno bubagrabo bono kaisa comment khlaika gefari chu orinaliana bubagra tamhi sikya. Bubagra pulan sikya you will be fine, praying for you, and I will also help from my own side. Don't worry, God bless you ni kaka bubagra. Unke omaikeno chungbo chini channel ni bisingtui Surilaijadi chini monai ni bagui bo takdina humi pasana ni bagui.